Alright, y'all. Karsha. Woo! Nice engine. Look. Damn, bro.
Speaks in it.
This one. Hey, it would be cool though. I know.
Are we going down and back up?
Yeah, we can. Like they got the Cybertruck.
Cybertruck. Ooh. Trying to see somebody burn off. Ooh. Trying to see somebody do a bird out. Bro.
Supercharged. I think this is yep.
ZL1?
Yeah.
Woo!
That bitch probably got like 700-800 horsepower. if I'm not
Bro.
mistaken. This has like
Was that nice?
pretty much a new car.
Got a Cybertruck. I heard the Cybertruck's bulletproof. I don't know what the fuck this old van is. Oh, baby Yoda. Woo. Like what the fuck? Now that's a green machine. I don't know where my family went. Oh, they're right there.
Try not to get the music in it. You're gonna get copyrighted.
Probably not.
Because I just got mine in. Look at that.
That's a green machine. That's a green machine for real. No, I'll fuck with this.
Oh, Mason, we got the dump machine over there in the white SUV. White SUV, okay, to your right.
Wanna go look?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Huh? Come on. We're gonna look at the speakers over there. Yeah. Alright, I hope that's some speakers for real. I hope.
Maybe he's not even showing off his car. Not even over there.
Oh.
I said his car ain't even over there.
What?
Showing it off. On this connection car club.
Yeah, he's the dude that is that Fortress.
Oh, he does have to.
Mom, that's the guy that I got in. I got in that Fortress.
Huh.
Oh,
That stuff is loud.
I remember.
I didn't see
My
those
bad.
speakers. You're right.
Mom, those were just mid-range. He has subwoofers in the back.
This the same car?
Yeah, that's the same car I got in. He
Oh.
probably just put different wheels on it.
And it was green last time.
No, it wasn't. No, that's not the same car.
Oh.
It's the one I got in, but you didn't get in. And then Jonathan got in it too.
But that's the same guy that
He got
was.
subwoofers in the back.
I don't know. I know there was another one that I got in that.
Yeah, it was a black one.
Nah, I thought it was green. Messed with this. Y'all, this really gets me for real.
Oh, wow, bro. Yo, take this out of this freaking.
We want to be able to breathe type shit.
Well, now you can breathe. Mason, go out.
At work?
They probably won't let him.
Not.
They'll shake the building.
Yeah, and they're gonna call a cop.
Hey, both don't just make you loud.
I don't know why y'all stopped.
Me? What do you mean?
I don't know why you stopped.
Because I already got all the cars.
I like that one.
Hey, and we see this the last time when Anthony came. When we came with Anthony, we saw the same one.
I can't believe you can't count this.
My bad.
Did he do it to you? He done it to me and you done it to him. Then he freaked out.
That's called karma.
Oh, basically. Woo! Yeah. Get that. They gone. They gone. See, look, this is not the type of stuff people like on YouTube.
So I said you shouldn't have stopped recording. Now that
That's like your size, Olivia.
I want me one of these.
That's pretty cool.
I'll drive around town.
I would too.
Mom, we need to stay here and wait until everybody leaves. That's what we need.
Nice to drive on these.
Guess what? I think these other cars don't have their yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
They don't.
That's why
Yeah.
He's got the air conditioning's window.
Oh yeah, but now when we drive that car, huh?
For life I live, my babies.
That's it, man.
Now we get just cab packs. Woo! Wide body. RT. Woo!
Buddy parking his Acura next to mine. I should start it and go blast it.
Let's do it then. Come on. Alright, we should go check out my brother's car.
Look, we still got all that over there too.
Alright, then we're gonna. It's not really a car show over there. We should go look at your car. And the subs. Let's go look at your car. Alright, come on, we're gonna go look at my brother's
Mom.
car.
Mom.
Hold on. You're gonna have to pop the trunk. Because no one's really I'm not trying to have them see the. Pop it. Come on, we're about to pop this. This is what we got in ours. 2 8s and then 2 12s. Come on. Start this bitch up. This about a thump. Don't shut the trunk either. Not yet. Ooh, and we got those. I'll mess with that. Come on. Let's have this thump.
Look at it.
Yep.
No, we're gonna play this.
I bet. Come on. Come on.
Laura said RTI said challenger, so we were both right.
Oh, does that scare you?
That's for me over there.
Come on.
Mason's still getting the video of this car. Oh my God.
Ben got in the video. Come on.
Bro, that shit thumping. You see that?
It's not even really thumping for us.
That shit nasty.
Come on. Come on. Alright, y'all. This out for peace and bye.